Just take a look at this channel. It's got 103K subscribers from only 75 cat shorts. The first video was uploaded on May 5, 2024, and the income from this channel is anywhere between $1,000 and $10,000 a month. Pretty impressive, right? First, let's see how these videos are made. You'll notice there's a story being told through images. I'm going to break down the whole process of creating these kinds of videos into 3 easy steps. Step 1. To create prompts for images, we need a short story first. For that, I enter this prompt into ChatGPT. I'm going to create a cat story for my YouTube channel. Please provide a cute cat story. The length should be between 100 to 150 words. Once you have your story, it's time to generate images. Just enter this prompt into the prompt box, asking ChatGPT to provide image generation prompts for each scene. Step 2. To create the images, you can use Leonardo, Ideogram, or any other tool you like, but I found that Microsoft Bing's image creator is better for cute cat images than the other tools. That's why I'm going with this one. Head over to Bing and search for Image Creator. Click on the first link to go to the image creator page. Then return to ChatGPT, copy the first prompt, and paste it into the prompt box. Hit create, and in just a few seconds, you'll get 4 cute cat images. Pick the ones you like and click download. Remember to include the word cat in your prompts to ensure you get cat-related images. I will provide all of the prompts that I have used in this video in the description. Step 3. Go to Canva, click on Create a Design, and choose YouTube Shorts. On the left sidebar, select Uploads, and then click on Upload Files to bring in your cat images. Add each image to the timeline and adjust their sizes to fit the YouTube Shorts video format. Click the plus sign, plus to add more images and place them all in the timeline. Select any image and click on Edit Timing. Set the duration to 2 seconds. Then click Apply to All Pages to apply the same timing to all images. To add transitions, click on the icon between 2 images. From the sidebar, pick a transition. I like the Match and Move transition. To apply this transition to all pages, click Apply to All Pages. Finally, add some background music to your video. Once you're done, click Download to save the video to your device. And that's it. Thanks for sticking around until the end. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye.